am eating a burger. I am eating a burger. I am washing my face. I am washing my face. I am watching the window. I am watching the window. I am sewing clothes. I am sewing clothes. I am eating lunch. I am eating lunch. I am praying. I am praying. I am sitting. I am sitting. I am pushing. I am pushing. I am kicking the football. I am kicking the football. I am picking up the toys. I am picking up the toys. I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table. I am farming. I am farming. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am cutting paper. I am cutting paper. I am playing the guitar. I am playing the guitar. I am helping. I am helping. I am slipping. I am slipping. I am tasting. I am tasting. I am selling. I am selling. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am closing the door. I am closing the door. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am folding clothes. I am folding clothes. I am tying my shoes. I am tying my shoes. I am jumping rope. I am jumping rope. I am washing vegetables. I am washing vegetables. I am peeling a banana. I am peeling a banana. I am blowing bubbles. I am blowing bubbles. I am lighting a candle. I am lighting a candle. I am slicing bread. I am slicing bread. I am baking a cake. I am baking a cake. I am mixing batter. I am mixing batter. I am grilling vegetables. I am grilling vegetables. I am setting the table. I am setting the table. I am opening a jar. I am opening a jar. I am closing a book. I am closing a book. I am fixing my toy. I am fixing my toy. I am gluing paper. I am gluing paper. I am building a sandcastle. I am building a sandcastle. I am watering plants. I am watering plants. I am planting seeds. I am planting seeds. I am feeding the dog. I am feeding the dog. I am petting the cat. I am petting the cat. I am reading a storybook. I am reading a storybook. I am climbing stairs. I am climbing stairs. I am sliding down the slide. I am sliding down the slide. I am swinging on a swing. I am swinging on a swing. I am coloring a picture. I am coloring a picture. I am making a puzzle. I am making a puzzle. Well done on completing all the action sentences. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a like. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this to keep practicing every day. And here's a question for you. Which action do you use the most in your daily life? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching and keep learning.